Maina, slow it down. I have to call someone special. I recently learned a song from her. So, and I'll try sing with her a little bit. Please welcome Elizabeth. Hello. Here, are you here? I learned a few lines of Tiprasa, some folk song. So मैं गा के देखता हूँ, गलत हो जाए तो माफ कर दीजिएगा. लेकिन मुझे लगा यहाँ आगे तो सीखना तो चाहिए. I met her and then I asked her to help me with a couple of lines.
Can you put her on this monitor, please?
What, two lines, yeah? Can you do not the Indian? Kids okay, bandit de lai hilagi kuba haile jadu hunmale boki shaniya hanai shakam khani tola hunmale boki shaniya hani shakam khani tola abu shamanu jadu बनोले शनानी को क्या हानी शक्न खोले तोला अधु समानो जादू बनोले शनानी को क्या Abishamano jadu, bonole shanani ko gya, bonole shanani ko gya. Sing along everyone. Jadu bungale, boki shaniya, hani shakano khani ko la. Abishamano jadu, bonole shanani ko gya. Toge mani de lai hilagi gubaire ke toge nozori laga I should have said Abishamano jadu, bonole shanani ko gya, bonole shanani ko gya, bonole shanani ko gya. Surupakane dhan bolechi, surupakane dhan bolechi, sita patu khai, dada deno pedai, sundu har tulsi gorai, sundu har tulsi gorai. Hitoge manide lai hiroki kupahaire. Hitoge manide lai hiroki kupahaire. Eke to ke nozori nagai. Jadu nale bogi shaniya. Ehagisha kano kani tora. Atu samando jadu. Abishamando jadu, bonole sanani kogya, bonole sanani kogya, bonole sanani kogya. Make some noise for Elizabeth.